Can you imagine? I Can Talk, move with amazing camera movements and minimal distortions. Creating animations like me just got easier. To further blow your mind, check out this music video of me singing, and when we return, Zinni will walk you through step by step how it was created.
I was lost in the dark, shadows all around me. Couldn't find a spark, scared of what I couldn't see. But then I felt the flame deep inside my heart. Tiny but it came, lit up every part. I rise up from the ashes, stronger than before.
This is amazing. Let me now show you how this animation was created. The first step is image generation and upscaling. I used Midjourney to create these images after multiple iterations. As you can see, I was able to create this image for the music video and this image for the introduction of this tutorial. This is the prompt I used. I won't go so deep into the process. If you would like an updated tutorial on image generation using Midjourney, let me know in the comment section. After the image generation, it is important to upscale the images. You can use the upscale button in Midjourney by coming to the image of choice and clicking here, or you can use a website called bigjpg.com. Once you have the upscaled image, head to LumaLab website. It is a straightforward website to navigate. Click on Try Now to create an account that will bring you into your Zoom workspace. Currently, it has a free trial to make 30 generations per month, but because of demand, you can only use 5 generations per day. Next, click on Create. If you want to create a video from scratch, you can type in the description of what you want and enter. But for this tutorial, we'll be using the image created earlier. Click on the image icon and upload your image. Then below, type in the prompt used to generate the image plus the action you want the image to perform. In this case, we want the girl in the image playing her guitar and singing. Then enter and wait for the video to be created. Note, the video created is only 4 seconds. If you need additional seconds, you can extend or create multiple clips and join them together later. Let me show you some I created previously. If your first video is not what you want, you can try again until you get the video you are looking for, just like I did with these videos. Once you have the right clips, click on download and save the video to your computer. The next step is to create music with vocals using AI. I will be using Suno, which also has a free trial. Visit the Suno website and create an account. By the way, for other websites mentioned in this tutorial, you can find their links in the description box. Coming to the home page, you can explore other songs people have created to gain inspiration. Also, you can use the Explore button to check out some music styles that you might be interested in. Let's check out some of the styles.
Rise up like the phoenix from depths of despair. Break free from the shadows, dance in the open air. Canceled all the echoes of your past. Rewrite your destiny, free at last. Flow like the sunrise, banish the pessimistic.
hairstyles are cool. The next step is to create our music. We will head back to the home page and click on the create button to get started. In the description box, type a song description. I would like to create inspirational music sung by a 15-year-old girl about overcoming her fears. Inspirational ballad that starts softly and builds to a powerful climax. Lyrics focus on overcoming fear, finding inner strength, and believing in oneself. Sang by a 15-year-old girl playing guitar, leave the instrumental option toggled off and click on the create button. The music creation uses your credit assigned every month. If you exhaust it, you will have to pay or wait till next month. 2 music files will be created. Play through each music and see if there is any one you like. Let's play this.
I was lost in the dark, shadows all around me. Couldn't find a spark, scared of what I couldn't see. But then I felt the flame deep inside my heart. Tiny but it came, lit up every part. I rise up from the ashes, stronger than before.
I like this one. Once you are done, click on the 3 dots, select download and choose audio. It will be downloaded to your computer. We are ready for the next step. The next step is to lip sync the video from Luma AI and the music audio from Suno. I will be using Pika Art for this because I find it better to lip sync music than other video lip syncing tools. Create an account on Pika Art website. This tool also has a free plan you can try, but the videos will come with a watermark. If you want the watermark removed, you will have to pay. Come to the box below, click on the image or video button, select the video clip you want and click open. Next, click on lip sync and select the appropriate audio. Note if the video clip is shorter than the audio, the tool will ask for you to clip the audio to fit the video. This is one of the features I found a bit off because other tools will use the video provided and loop the video without a need to clip. Once the lip syncing is done, you can play it and review it.
Shadows all around me.
If the video is good, go ahead to repeat the whole process to create the remaining lip sync for the other parts of the music file. Go ahead and download all the clips and save them in a folder for the next step. Before we move to the next step, let me show you how I lip synced the animation at the beginning of the tutorial. You can still use Pika Art if you want, but I find this AI tool Synclabs better for only talking audio. Coming to the website, click on New Project. In the dialog box that opens up, upload the video file and audio file. For the mode, use Sync 16.0 and click on the Generate button. Once the lip syncing is done, play the video to review the clip. Next, download to use in your project. Next is to compile all the clips we downloaded from Pika Art. I will be using the video editing tool CapCut for this process. Open up CapCut desktop, web, or your phone. Import all the clips and start arranging them according to the audio track. You can choose to add effects or anything that will elevate the music video more. Once that is done, export the combined clips into one video and head over to the CapCut website. What we will be doing next is to upscale the video because generally videos from AI tools don't have the best quality. On the website, sign in or create an account, then click on create new and choose video upscaler. It will open in a different window. Then go ahead to upload the video and click on upscale. Once the process is done, click on export and then download. The video will be downloaded and you are good to go. This is the process I used to create both the intro and music video I showed at the beginning of the tutorial. AI tools and their use cases are evolving very fast, and it's important to make sure your knowledge is up to date to avoid being obsolete. To help you with that, hit the like button, the subscribe button, turn on your bell notification to know when a new tutorial goes live. If you want to know how to start your own faceless YouTube channel, check out this video and I will see you there.